Follow this guide to install the Super Kilometer filter on your LYNK CO. Remove the fascias first. Then loosen 2 screws here and remove the plastic panel. Loosen these 4 screws so you'll be able to remove the cluster. For these cars, cable B is suitable in most cases. Connect it to the speedometer and then connect the other end to the device. Check on the box that the green light is on. Try to start the car. If the car won't start, then lock the car for 10 minutes and let it go to sleep. After 10 minutes, try to start the car again if the car can be started, and then connect to the app and select mode 1 to stop. As soon as the car moves, a dash in the total mileage appears and the kilometers stop. If the car stops again, the total mileage will be displayed.